How to log in Chime account. Hello everybody. In order to do so, you may follow up this step. Head over to a browser, and once you open a browser, in the search bar, go ahead and type in Chime. After that, hit search. Once you go ahead and do that, you will be getting results. Head over to chime.com. Go ahead and tap on the very first link. And once you do that, you will be taken to the space. So all you gotta do is, you may tap on the sign up option at the top. And once you hit that, here you will be getting this. So you need to complete the verification process first. And once your verification process completes, here in order to sign up, you need to enter up your first name and last name and your email and complete up your verification and you will be in. Otherwise, in order to log in at the top of your interface, you should be finding login option. Go ahead and tap on it. And then once you go ahead and tap on it, enter up the credentials that you use in order to create a account. So here in this section, you need to enter up the email address that you use in order to create a Chime account. Right below it, you need to enter up your password, which you use in order to create an account again. Once that is done, tap on the sign in button. And once that is done, you will be receiving SMS text messages from Chime to verify your identity. And once that is entered, you will be easily logged in into the Chime website or the application. So that's it for now. It is very easy in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.